Hi, in this video I will show you how you can create folders and subfolders for custom modules using Easy OneDrive for Zoho CRM. First, go to your Zoho CRM and open the custom module where you want to set up the extension. For this example, we have a custom module named Trainings. Click on Create Training. Before creating records, we need to edit the page layout first. We need to create two fields for setting up the extension in this custom module. The first field will be a single line field where we will save the OneDrive Folder ID. The second field will be a URL field where we will save the OneDrive share link. Now click Save and Close. Next, go back to Settings. Click on Workflow Rules. Now click Create Rule. Select the module. Here, the module is Trainings. Give the workflow rule a name such as Create Folder for OneDrive. Then click Next. For the trigger, select Record Action. Then choose Create. Click Next. Select All Trainings. Then click Next. Now select Custom Action. Choose Easy OneDrive. From here, select Create OneDrive Folder. For this setup, we will use a static root folder. This means all training folders will be saved inside one specific root folder. Now we need to select the root folder. Open the Easy OneDrive folder. Here, you can see the 5 folders for the 5 default modules. Now we will create a new folder for the Trainings module. Click Save. Then select the new Trainings folder. Now we need to set the folder structure. This folder structure controls how the folders will be named in OneDrive. Press Shift and 3 on your Windows keyboard to select a CRM field. Then select the Custom Module Name field. Now let's create a subfolder as well. Again, press Shift and 3. Then select the Year field. Now click Save. Next, it will ask if you want to save the folder ID to the training record. Select Yes. Now provide the field name where the folder ID will be saved. Remember, we created a new field for this earlier. So select OneDrive Folder ID. Next, it will ask if you want to generate an external share URL for this folder. Select Yes. Now provide the field name where the share link will be saved. For this, select the OneDrive share link field that we created earlier. Now click Save. Then save the workflow action. Give the action a name such as Create Folders and Subfolders for OneDrive. Then click Save and Associate. Finally, save the workflow rule. Now let's go to the Trainings module and create a new training record. For the training name, I will enter Business Development. For the year, I will enter 2024. Now click Save. Next, let's go to our Easy OneDrive extension folder. At first, you can see only the 5 default module folders. Now refresh the page. You should see the new Trainings folder. Open the Trainings folder. Inside this folder, you should see another folder with the training name Business Development. Inside the Business Development folder, you should see the 2024 subfolder. This folder structure was created based on the workflow configuration we set up earlier. So this is how you can create folders and subfolders for custom modules using the Easy OneDrive for Zoho CRM extension.